Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have Acura ZDX.
MDX.
Where is the ZDX? The other one is the ZDX?
Yeah,
Okay.
2020 MDX.
Okay, MDX 2020. It's a beautiful, MDX 2020. And let's see if we can add one of those remote. Okay, hopefully.
My phone is there.
Hopefully it's gonna work here.
My phone.
Maybe it's there.
Right here.
Okay. Let's see if we can add anything here. Add this key. One of them. This working. This one add. So let me turn the ignition on, and then I will communicate with the car. Go by VIN. Auto detect. Asian, Honda, Acura. This Acura. So I'm gonna go to Acura. Acura. Please subscribe, share, and like, and support the channel, please. Your support is appreciable. I will say okay. I don't remember when last time I did this one here, but I do my best. So you ask me, is this car is American or US manufacturer? Yes. 2020, say yes. So this car is good. Okay, what do you need to do? This is a diagnose. I don't need diagnose. I gotta go out of here. Exit, escape. Yes. I've gotta go back to take this one out, start all over. Loading. This car they made it so beautiful. Air condition, radio, navigation system, battery. Okay, so I gotta go to no diagnosis. Emo. Disclaimer: you must have internet. Okay, it's Acura. Automatic selection. Read. Okay, I will say okay. Smart key. Push start. So yes. What do you need? HUD function? Just go to HUD function. Yes. Is the ignition turned on? I say yes. Add a key. So let's start. 6 step or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe please turn the ignition off. I turn the ignition off. Maybe I have to take one of those keys outside. Please place lane key in the vehicle and take all others key away. Okay. I'm gonna put the window down. I'm gonna leave this one here. I take this one out. Hold this for me. Stay away with a little bit. It's okay. Turn ignition on as usual. It will pick up automatically. This already programmed. You say success. Success, the second step. You say 3 key. Success. Now he's gonna add a key. So maybe he's gonna ask me to move one key program. So do you wanna program another key? Say yes. Now he go back again. He say place all key out. Place all key outside. Okay, place all keys. Here, take this one too, but put it in the right side. This is keep it there. Give me the key that I I give you first. This is the key that I give him first. I say okay. I want to know if anything gonna come on here. So please wait. Success. So now I have 3 keys. Maybe turn the ignition switch off. Turn ignition on. Yes, I turned the key on. I did it already. Are both keyless access and immobilizer indicator turn off? Say yes. Turn ignition say off. Ignition on. It's 2020, okay? Registration complete. Turn ignition off. Okay. This one is start. So I have 4 keys and less than 7 minutes. Thank you for watching. Let me turn this one off. Okay. Beautiful. Give me the other one. Okay. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.